city shuts down to feed 4,000 monkeys a 5 Lopburi. Today, the locals are paying respect to their ancestors in the wildest way possible. With tons of sticky rice, 4 tons of fruit, it's a banquet fit for a king. Can you hear that? The dinner bell just rang. At first, it's almost civilized. They pick their favorites like connoisseurs.
But in the animal kingdom, table manners are optional.
Rule number 1, if it's not glued down, it belongs to them now. And then the sugar rush hits. It's absolute anarchy. For a second, you're not a tourist. You're just part of the troupe. 5 minutes ago, this was art. Now, it's a crime scene.
But that's the beauty of Lopburi. It's an offering of gratitude, not perfection. It's chaotic, it's loud, and you will get dirty. But you've never seen a lunch break like this. Would you dine here? Let me know in the comments. See you at the next spot.